Hey, what's up? My name's Mcnamara. This is my dog Wheels. I ride for MGP Action Sports. I'm here to tell you today what sort of bike I'm running at the moment and what I've been up to lately and show you some clips. I'll start off with the back wheel to mix it up a bit. KG Mach 2 tyre, Mcnamara dot rim, demolition hub, rainbow tyre spokes. I'm running KG Bikes X-Hib seats. Pedals are KG Bikes as well in metal. Profile racing cranks. Sprocket is just KG Bike sprocket. Chain is KG half-link chain. Frame, size 20.6, KG Bike shotgun frame. Grips are ODI Super Soft limited edition grips with Shadow Conspiracy wirings. Bars are just off one of the stock bikes, same as the stem. Forks are KG MVP fork. Front peg, colony one way. Front hub, demolition. Front rim, Mcnamara dub. Rainbow tyre spokes, KG Mach 2 tyre. That's my bike. Well, I've been pretty busy lately. Just got back from Woodwood in California a couple of weeks ago. It was a sweet time, met heaps of new people. And then I went down to Ramp Fest for the Fox Comp. Unfortunately I didn't get into the finals for that, but it was a sweet time, everyone was killing it. And lately I've just been filming for my new web edit and it should be out soon, keep an eye out for it. To keep up to date on me, follow me on Instagram at Mcnamara. Like my Facebook page, Mcnamara, and follow Wheels the Dog on Instagram, at Wheels the Dog. And here's some clips that we got in Melbourne, hope you like them.